Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Yahoo email account. So let's get started. If you want to create a Yahoo email account, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for yahoo.com. And after searching for yahoo.com, now you can just simply tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, now you can just simply go ahead and then create an account by tapping on create an account. Just simply tap on create an account, and now in order to create an account you just have to enter your first name, last name, Yahoo mail, password, and then date of birth. Now after entering all the details, what you have to do is just simply tap on next. And after tapping on next, now what you have to do is just simply tap on get code on WhatsApp. So now you will receive a code on WhatsApp. So what you have to do is just simply enter your mobile number, and after entering it just tap on get code on WhatsApp, and now you'll receive a 6-digit code on your WhatsApp application. What you have to do is just simply copy it and then paste it over here, and after pasting it just simply tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you have successfully created your account. Now just tap on done. And after tapping on done, now here you can see guys, you have successfully created your Yahoo account. So that's it guys, this is how to create Yahoo account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.